Welcome to Supply and Demand Show, where we bring you essential life tips in just a few minutes. Today, we're introducing a topic that is crucial for everyone, and we'll be going into a lot more detail throughout this series. Whether you're just starting your career or planning for retirement, budgeting is so important. But why? Let's break it down. Picture this: you are at a theme park and you have got a map. Without it, you would wander aimlessly, missing the best rides and maybe even getting lost. Budgeting is your financial map, and it guides you, helps you prioritize, and ensures you don't get lost in the chaos of expenses. First off, budgeting gives you control over your money. It is easy to feel like your money controls you, especially when those unexpected expenses pop up. But a budget helps you plan. You see where every dollar goes, and that control is empowering. Now, let's talk about financial goals. Whether it is saving for a vacation, buying a new gadget, or planning for a home, a budget is your roadmap to these goals. It breaks down big dreams into manageable steps. Imagine the joy of ticking off each milestone on your way to that dream purchase or trip. And what about emergencies? Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. A budget helps you build an emergency fund, a safety net for those rainy days. Knowing you have a cushion can reduce stress and keep you from going into debt when unexpected costs arise. Speaking of debt, let's not forget its role in financial health. Budgeting helps you manage debt effectively. You can allocate funds to pay off loans and credit cards systematically, reducing interest costs and freeing up money for other needs. It's all about smart financial management. For our younger listeners, just starting out, budgeting is a game changer. It sets the foundation for healthy financial habits early on. You learn to live within your means, avoid debt, and start saving for the future. It's about building a solid financial future, one paycheck at a time. And for those a bit further along in the journey, budgeting is still a key. It helps manage the complexities of life, from family expenses to saving for your kids' education and planning for retirement. It's never too late to start, and the benefits are immediate and long-lasting. So, how do you start? It is simple. List your income and expenses. Track your spending for months to see where your money goes. Then, set your goals and create a plan that works for you. There are plenty of apps and tools to help, making budgeting easier than ever. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about making conscious choices with your money. It's about freedom. The freedom to spend on what matters the most to you without the guilt or stress. Thanks for tuning in Supply and Demand Show. If you found this episode helpful, share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the rest of this series by clicking the link on screen for more quick, practical tips to help you live your best life. Until next time, happy budgeting.